Hello, it's Mandy from Little People Nutrition. On today's episode of Little People Cooking, we're going to be making love sandwiches with beetroot dip. This is a great little recipe to include a different repertoire of sandwich spreads into your lunchbox regime. If you're going to be cooking with little people, it's great for around the ages of 3 to 4 years onwards, just because of the dexterity of creating the sandwich. But of course, painting bread with dip is for everybody. Now let's get down to our station and let's get cooking. Here we've got in this little pot is cannellini beans, which I blended a whole can of cannellini beans with 1 tablespoon of oil in the blender. Here I've got in this pot is the beetroot, which was 1 can of drained baby beetroots whipped with 1 tablespoon of olive oil as well. Sure, we could have mixed these together beforehand, but one of the beautiful things with cooking is letting the child experience every step along the way to feel, touch, see, and taste the ingredients. Plus, mixing it together is just so pretty. A note on cannellini beans. This is such a great ingredient and food because it's a vegetable, which we all need more of, but it's also a source of protein, which is great for little people and keeping their energy levels pretty even throughout the day. So we get 1 tablespoon of the cannellini bean mixture, pop that in nice and creamy. You could use say chickpeas or a different kind of legume as well, but this flavour is quite inoffensive for kids. And about 1 tablespoon of the beautiful ruby rich red yummy beetroot, and then we just mix it together and you can watch the 2 colours come together. And what colour does it make? A beautiful, beautiful light pink. Give it a bit of a taste and see how it's changed in flavour. Oh, yummo. Move these guys out of the way. So we get our 2 slices of bread, and we're just going to use a generic cup. I'm going to place it down on one bread and push down and give it a bit of a shimmy. And then we've got a little hole, which is nice and cute. And what we're going to do with this little hole here is push it down with our hands to flatten it. You can feel all the air go out. And we're going to go to the top here, and using a little kid-friendly knife, we make a little V there. And then just down here, we're going to cut these 2 sides. I might need to shape that up a little bit to make it a bit nicer. What does that look like? A little love heart. Now we're going to put our dip onto our base. So scoop it out and spread it out at the back of our spoon. She looks beautiful, doesn't she? Then we pop our top on with the peephole window and our little love heart in the middle. Doesn't she look gorgeous? And then you can eat it, or perhaps you can pop it in a lunchbox. Put some carrots in as well. Maybe chop off some little strawberries into some heart shapes too. Good to go. Now, if you want to keep up to date with the Little People cooking videos, you can like and follow my Facebook page, which is Little People Nutrition with Mandy Dos Santos, or you can go onto Instagram, which is @Little People Nutrition, or subscribe and follow us on YouTube, which is Little People Nutrition as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.